How would you like to get paid for every single click on this new website? Not only is it new, it's absolutely free and available worldwide. And in this tutorial, I'll teach you step by step how to do this, and at the end, I'll give you a bonus free tool which will set everything on autopilot so you can earn from those clicks passively. But first, we gotta check if you have what's necessary to make this work. Number 1, you'll need a device like a laptop, computer, tablet, or a smartphone. Number 2, you'll need internet connection or Wi-Fi. Number 3, you need to know how to click, and if you have those 3, then great, you can make this work. Now, before we start, make sure to like this video, leave a thumbs up, and tap the like button down below. Okay, so first of all, let me show you that this does work worldwide. Let me show you this. Everyone can join this website, anyone, anywhere can join this program and start earning money within minutes because it's available worldwide, and since you're being paid per click, you won't have to sell anything. This is not an affiliate program, this is not a link shortening service. People will not have to sign up to anything, and they won't need to spend any money at all. They just need to click, and that's all you need. So this is basically one of the easiest ways you can start making money online, especially with the next website which I'm about to show you, which you can combine to get those clicks in complete autopilot so it becomes passive income stream for you. Now, first of all, let's clarify this. You've been using Google for a while, I guess. You use it on a regular basis just like the other 3 billion people around the world, and they do it every single day. So billions of people use Google to search, to find answers, and to explore the web, and it's free to use Google. However, instead of Google, today we'll be using another searching site. This is a website, this is a platform, this is also a free search engine just like Google. The difference between Google and this tool is that this site will actually pay you for each click, and it will actually pay you 20 cents per click that you get. The reason being is that they know that Google is a massive competitor and they want to attract more people to use their search engine over Google, and that's the reason why they're paying you 20 cents a click. Because Google doesn't, and obviously since both of them are free, most people would rather opt in to use this new searching site, because this site will pay them 20 cents per click, which is pretty insane considering the fact that it's free. So I recommend you to jump on this as soon as possible and take advantage of the second platform, which I'm about to show you in a minute. So what you'll need to do is, once you come over to this website or this searching site, you're going to be able to see these 3 lines at the top right corner. Click on those 3 lines, and then that's going to give you all of these categories like home service, free submissions, SEO, ad market, affiliate, directory, advertising, and so on and so forth. But there's only one thing you should be interested in, and that's actually going to make you money, and that's affiliate. Click on this, and don't worry, don't let the affiliate keyword scare you, because you won't have to sell anything, you won't have to make people buy anything or pay for anything. In fact, you're actually being paid 20 cents for every click that you get on the free search engine submission service. So you can get other people that are regularly using Google to start using entire web, and if they use your link, you'll make 20 cents per click that you get, which is just insane. As I said, where 3 billion people use Google on a daily basis. So there's definitely a massive potential here. Even if you just refer 100 people to this website, that's still gonna be huge passive income for you. 1,000 people, that's even more. 10,000 people, now that's absolutely insane, and you have a potential of 3 billion people. As you can see, you'll get paid for every click. They'll pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor, which is absolutely cool. You have a high conversion rate, obviously, since it's free and real simple. And just as I showed you 1 minute ago, they just need to start searching in this site, and you'll get paid 20 cents for that. Everyone can join from anywhere in the world, and it's really easy to start. Within minutes from setting up, you'll be running and have started to earn money from your traffic. You'll see exactly how it works and exactly how this dashboard is going to look like for you, and exactly how you can withdraw your money from the dashboard. Let me show you another great thing. This is exactly how you'll be paid. You'll be paid through PayPal, and the minimum payout value is $50, which may seem like a lot, but you can actually easily acquire $50 with this website and then instantly cash out and spend that money on whatever you prefer. So it's not $5, it's not $1, it's not that low like on other websites, but it's still great because once again, you can easily acquire the minimum payoff threshold. So what you will need to do is once you come over to this website affiliate program, you will need to click create account right here so you can sign up for free. Now you'll need to fill out some details about yourself. You'll need to enter first and last name. You'll choose your own tracking ID. For example, you can type in some username which you prefer. Let's say for instance my YouTube channel is Digital Cashflow. I would enter my tracking ID to be Digital Cashflow, then select a username or enter an email address for your account. Once you do that, enter the additional information about yourself. Now step number 3 is to just enter the payout methods however you want to get paid. PayPal is not the only option, so don't worry, but once you come over to payout methods, you can even just enter your PayPal email address and they'll pay you as soon as you hit $50. And then, step number 4 will be just to read their terms and conditions and privacy policy, and if you accept, just take the box and you'll accept it, and that's it. You've signed up to this affiliate program and you'll now start making money for each click that you generate. Registration process should take no longer than a minute. You don't have to wait around and get approved whatsoever. You'll instantly be able to log into your brand new account. So the entire process takes less than a minute, and once you log into your entire web account, this is what you'll see here. Here goes your campaigns, and here on the left hand side is the homepage, where you can actually track your clicks and track the amount of money you've made. As you can see, since this is a brand new account, it's obviously gonna say 0 clicks and $0, but once I start getting clicks, this will change, and I'll start receiving money, which I can then withdraw by clicking on the My Profile Account button right here, and I can request a withdrawal as soon as I have $50. So what you'll need to do to start receiving those clicks is you'll first need to grab your affiliate link. So this is your special affiliate link. It's going to be at the top of the page. It's going to say your affiliate link, and you can copy this because whenever someone goes to this link, you'll get paid 20 cents per click. So you're just referring people to this site called entireweb.com where they can start searching the web and where they can start clicking on other websites, and for each click you're being paid, which is really simple and really easy. But for now, once you grab your long affiliate link, I want you to come over to bit.ly.com so you can make it short and sweet. Bit.ly is a free link shortening service, so just copy your link in this box and click shorten. Now your link is gonna look short and sweet. And now you can start sharing it with other people so you can acquire those clicks and start making money. Now, sure, you can share your link on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, whatsoever, and share it with friends and family, and that's definitely gonna get you some clicks and that's gonna earn you some money. But if you actually want to set this up on complete autopilot for a potential to reach millions of clicks, then you need to use this strategy that I'm about to share with you. So first of all, you'll need to open up Google Docs. Open up docs.google.com and open up the blank document. Here, you can write something briefly and create a call to action for your special bit.ly link that takes people to your affiliate link connected to entire web. And so just write something briefly. For example, I've typed in, is it possible to be better than Google? Try entire web, a new and free search engine. And I pasted my affiliate link right here. You must leave your affiliate link so people can click on it, and I said, try it in a few seconds and tell me if it's truly better than Google. So with that, I've told them that it's new and it's free, so it's gonna attract more people. They'll know that they don't need to buy anything, they don't need to spend any money, they can just try this out and it only takes them seconds. They won't have to wait for minutes, hours, whatsoever. They can do it quickly and see if it's better than Google or not. And now, for each click that I get, I'll get paid 20 cents again and again. Obviously, this is only one option. Of course, you can come up with your call to action and with your article and with your script, and that might work even better. This is just something that I did quickly just to show you an example, and once you're done writing your script and once you're done writing your article, I want you to click on the file button right here so you can save it to your computer. I'll click on the download button and I'll download this as a PDF document. And with that PDF document, we need to come over to this last website which we'll be using called slideshare.net. According to SimilarWeb, slideshare.net is being visited by over 1.4 billion people on a regular monthly basis. So you have the potential to reach over a billion people with SlideShare. and free to share whatever article you have, and we'll be sharing our Google Docs article that includes your affiliate link, your entire web affiliate link, so you can get those clicks on complete autopilot because people share articles on this website getting millions of views. You saw that over 1 billion people use SlideShare. As you can see, 4 million views, 1.5 million views, another million views, 8 million, 6 million, 1 million views, and so on. There's a lot of people reading those articles on slideshare.net, especially because it's absolutely free for them. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to sign up by clicking on the sign up button right here. Sign up process takes even less time than on entire web, so it probably takes like 30 seconds whatsoever. And once you sign up, just click on the upload button right here. Now click select files to upload, select the PDF document, wait until it loads, and give it a title. So for example, I'll type in "This will be better than Google," and I'll type in "It's free," and then I'll type a brief description, and also in the description you can add your affiliate link as well, and that way you'll have a higher chance of getting more clicks. For example, I'll type in "Is it possible to be better than Google?" Try it in a few seconds and tell me if it's truly better than Google. And I'll also paste my link right here. Now choose category, select the category right here from the list. Select the privacy to be public, so you want everyone to see it, and you can give it different tags. So for example, I'll type in Google, search engine, free, and so on. So the more tags you give it, the more people you'll attract, and after that, just hit publish and that's it. Now you have the potential to reach over 100 billion people with this article, so they can see and try entire web themselves, and you'll get paid 20 cents per click that you generate. 100 clicks equals 20, 1,000 clicks equals $200, and 10,000 clicks is $2,000 for free, entirely passively with this website. So to make $2,000, you just need 10,000 clicks, which is really simple to acquire since all they have to do is click on your link, start using the free search engine just like they're using Google, and you'll start making your money. Once again, millions of people use slideshare.net, and you can find millions of people on the internet that will be willing to try out entire web because it costs them nothing. It's something that they do on a regular basis, so take advantage of this search engine and start making money as soon as possible because, in my opinion, this is one of the easiest ways you can start making money and the easiest way you can set up a passive income stream online. That's it for today. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.